Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy out here today doing this door panels over. I told you guys before on the driver door, I had to do the door panel over, so I'm getting that done. I've been getting quite a few things done lately. You know, I got me some mids installed. I got the amps for the mids installed. All the tops is working, the back doors. Got amps on now, that good stuff. I'll be making a video, posting that up soon, letting you guys see where we at, where we going with the build, and everything is coming along. And I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet because when I download videos from my phone, it takes forever. And right now, this phone that I have here is freezing up a lot too. I just got myself the S9, very expensive phone. I didn't want to get it, but I got tired of that one there that you doing a video on right now, freezing up. Also, that one will take better videos from what I heard. You know, I get clearer videos, better content. So, meantime, between time, I'll catch you guys on the next video, right? Peace out.